Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. With this beautiful wordings of Albert Einstein, I start my day wishing all my dear kids a sweet and a blissful morning. Children, I hope you all must be in the best of your health with God's grace and hope the same for you in future. Children, before I start my today's work, let's have a quick recap of what we did in our previous class. In my previous class, I explained you and talked about the topic of a grammar, and that is tenses. In our previous class, we came to know about that what is a tense and different kinds of tenses. So just have a quick recap again, and then I will move further for today's work. So tense, what was tense? Tense means time. It means tense tell us about the time of an action taken place. The action may be in past, present or future. It is further divided into three parts. Tense is divided into three parts: past, present, and future. What was your present tense? What was your past tense? We have already done a quick revision. Present tense. In present tense, I did two forms with you: simple present and present continuous. Now, what was a simple present tense? Simple present tense tell us about our routine habits, or you can say regular actions which we do in our daily routine. Then is your sayings like honesty is the best policy, home is east or west, home is the best, as well as your universal truths. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Routine actions: I go to school regularly, I complete my work on time. These three things come under your simple present. And what was the present continuous? Present continuous tense, in which the action is still going on at a particular period of time. For example, I am teaching you English. I am explaining you about tenses. Teaching, the work is still going on. Explaining, the work is still going on. The action is still going on. It's not over. You all are listening to me. Presently, I'm speaking, you all are listening, I'm teaching, again, you are listening. So, teaching, listening, explaining means the action is still going on, it's not over. So, it comes under a simple present tense. No, not at all. It comes under a present continuous tense. This is the biggest mistake being small children we make. Whenever anybody asks you what is simple present tense, wherever you see ing and we write present tense, no, it is present continuous. Please, again I'm repeating, don't mix it. Wherever ing is there, it is a continuous. Whether it is in past, present or future, the work is still going on, so it can't be simple present. Now children, in simple present, we add verb plus ses or ies according to the spellings. And in your continuous, we add is, am, are, verb plus ing form. This much I hope is clear. Now, yesterday we also did about past tense. Past tense. In the past tense, we add verb plus ed or id. Means the action had already been done in the past time. For example, I worked hard for my examination. I worked, verb plus ed form. And in continuous past, we will write was, were plus verb plus ing. I was playing when my father reached home. Means your past continuous tense is the tense which tells us about the action which was still going on in the past when another action happened. Taking the same example, I was, you can say, riding a bicycle when my father came. Means when your father came, when the action of your father of coming was there, still one more work was going. And what was that? You were riding the bicycle. So it is your past continuous tense. I hope this much is clear, children. Now, let's move on to the third kind of tense, and that is future tense. We will be doing only the simple form of future tense according to your book and your syllabus. Tenses. From that, I'm doing future tense. Now, simple future tense. This tense is used where? First, to predict what we think will happen, as for example, the festival will last for a week. Will last, mean going to last. One day people will travel to Mars. Future prediction is there. To indicate an offer or a promise. Now, if we make any promise or give anybody offer, I shall post this letter for you. I'm giving offer to someone, or you can say I'm promising somewhere some person that I shall post you a letter for you. I will give you a book if you stand first. Third, to indicate an instant decision. As it is very hot, I will put on the fan. It is my birthday, we will have a party. Now, structure in simple sentences. Subject plus will shall. Children, one more thing to tell is shall is always used when the first person is there. Means the speaker is there. For example, I will say I shall or we shall. Where the speaker is included, first person is included. Only there we use shall, otherwise we use will for everybody else. So subject plus will shall plus verb first form. Example, I shall help you in this matter. Negative sentences, subject will shall not plus verb first form. She will not appear in the test. Interrogative sentences where questions are there. Will shall plus subject plus verb first form. Will you sing a song in the party? Now, there are few different ways in English that you can talk about future tense. We generally use will and going to speak about in the future. We use be going to when we have already decided to do something. I will be going to Delhi tomorrow. I have already decided this. We use be going to when you know that something will happen because of a situation now. Now, any situation is there. For example, don't forget to take your umbrella. Look at these black clouds. It's going to rain. Positive form I, he, she, it, you, we, they. With I plus I am going plus verb. I am going to Delhi. He is going to Delhi. You are going to Delhi means where answer is in yes. Positive form means where answer is in yes. Negative and answer is no. I'm not going to Delhi. She is not going to Delhi. You are not going to Delhi. Mean question is there. Am I going to Delhi? Is he going to Delhi? Are you going to Delhi? When question form is there. We use will when we decide to do something at the moment of speaking. Means sometimes we use will at the moment of speaking. Means we decide to do the action in future but at a particular time in present. For example, what would you like to have, soda or coffee? I will have coffee. Though I'm asking you a question that you will like to have. I'm asking you now. But the action will be taken in future. You will say, I will have coffee means I will have. You're not having in another 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, you're going to have the coffee. It becomes a future. The speaker decides at the moment of speaking. Children, I hope this much is clear to all. Now, time expressions with will and be going to. Now, which words we use in this related to time? Soon, tomorrow, in few days, next month, later, the day after, and so on. We use will for what we think will happen in the future. I think she will come to my party. I don't know what we will do tomorrow, where our thought process is also included. That also comes in a future tense. Now let's see positive form. I told you again, I'm telling you, I will eat. She will eat. You will eat. I will not eat. He will not eat. You will not eat. Here in the previous one, which I told you, there was going to form, but here is no going to form. Here is direct will plus verb. Now, interrogative, will I eat? Will you eat? Will he eat? Now, let's have a look at some of the examples. It's very cold. It's going to snow today. Are you going to stay with me? I'm thirsty. I will drink a glass of water. I'm going to fly to London tomorrow. They won't disturb us again. My dad will be 60 next month. I suppose she will get the money tomorrow. Now, children, look at the forms of verbs that take in simple present, past, and future tense. This is from your grammar book. Simple present, past, and future. I cook, present form. I cooked, past. I will cook, future. You laugh, you laughed, you will laugh. He runs, he ran, he will run. They see, they saw, they will see. She walks, she walked, she will walk. Ravi sleeps, Ravi slept, Ravi will sleep. So all the three forms of the tenses they have explained here. It's very easy. Just have a look at it properly. Now just read this, watch out. We also use is, am, are, going to base form of the verb to describe the future action. Now sometimes we use is, are, am also. I'm going to visit Madhu's house in the evening. Disha is going to return the book tomorrow. The sky is cloudy. It is going to rain. Sometimes we need to add is rm plus verb plus ing. Going to plus verb. Now let's move on to the exercise part. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense. Now, simple future tense. The bus will come to pick you up at 8 a.m. tomorrow. What will you do if you lose your way? The chief guest will arrive any moment now. Next week, I will visit the library. Akshat will return from his trip on Thursday. I will buy film tickets in the evening. Tomorrow, she will leave this town. Tina will travel to Mumbai next month. Now, exercise B. Change the following sentences into simple future tense. He woke up early in the morning. Here, woke up will become will wake up. I watched the sunrise today. I shall watch or I will watch. Both are correct. Cooking gives me pleasure. Cooking shall give me pleasure or cooking will give me pleasure. Both are correct. They will catch the ball. The stool broke because of the heavy suitcase. Instead of broke, we will write will break. The stool will break because of the heavy suitcase. Animals drink water from the stream. Underline drink. Instead of drink, we'll write will drink. He sang a song for me. He will sing a song for me. I bought a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. Underline bought. Answer will be I will buy a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. Now, children, I hope all the three tenses are clear to you, past, present, and future. Just revise once all the three kinds of tenses Anything you could not understand, just mark it. And whenever I take the next class, you can ask me your doubts. Then I will start the next topic. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. And after completing both these exercises, just send me in the class, English class group for checking. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thanks a lot.